Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, the beautiful face on the screen is Nothandula Gabela and to my returning subscribers to the G4s. Welcome to another video by the Magabela guys. I am going on campus and I'll be taking you guys with me. Let me do a fit check. I'm wearing grey. This is me. Yabo? I'm carrying this bag. This is my dad's work bag, guys. I lost my bag and I'm not buying a new bag, people. And this is my feet. And I'm carrying my charger to school. Because I'm an iPhone chargers. I lost something on my relationship set. Really. But yes. And these are my feet. Yeah. So let's go. Yeah. Gaham. Akona afuna ubuyela esikoleni guys. Engabe useMaritzburg utribute memezana nami. Hayibo phela ngiyahamba phela. Ngiveleleni uzonginika imali? Ungivelelani pha? Semele ngibuye hayibo akhona waza wena. Akhona ngiyahamba mfethu mina ngena u10. Ugithi woza la. Ngifuna. Mahlalela abafuna uke esikoleni. But i-iPhone charger phela iyadingakala njalo ngoba i-battery lasta njengama relationship eni. Yashesha ukuphela. Okay guys, let's go. I hope I won't forget to vlog, hey. I'm trying to take this posting every week thing back. Like, one thing I'll be consistent is making my 10,000 subscribers delay. And we're not about to do that. Hey. Yeah, P. Still the Tandemot? It's... Sigalala is lost, and this is his class. When I'm here to write notes, Sigalala is lost. He always forces me to attend with him. Instructor my part was Menzobala.
Assignment
That's a question.
Inkinga manje lento yokuthi bathi bafuna si-reference. If you reference, I should find have your talent to
No, you don't have to. Okay, so muzo reference. About explanation, that's where you reference. The explanation that we example. You will go on Google. How does poverty contribute? How does alcoholism contribute to poverty? What. They'll give you an explanation. You write that in your own word and then you reference that. So yeah, so research. No, you don't write Google.
Website.
Websites. When information you tolerate.
Information is esiningi
Yonke into ebhalayo iyashiwo ukuthi ibhalwe ubani.
yabo lento yokureference mina isikhathi esiningi ama-point vele yabo njengale ise njengoba ngisho ukuthi le ise ngayibhala yabo miss lama-point akwashona ngayibhala ayaphuma ama-point ekhanda lami ukuthi suke sengiwamixile ngeke yabo mase kufanele ngi-reference vele ngingazi because most yezinto esuke ngiyibhalile vele suke kuyinto esuka kimi.
Guys, meet my friend Sikelela Sosibo.
Hi.
Uhlezi engi-attendisa amaklasi akhe awamaka wa-attend ngisho nendoda.
But we're not friends. We're not friends. Just that ukuthi uyangiuza lo muntu lo. Uyangiuza. Ungidinga mawukuthi mina. Mawukuthi udinga usizo kimi. Other than that, when she's fine, she's nowhere to be found.
He's lying, guys. Sikelela. Ngathi ngizokhombisa ama-chat la. Ngizokhombisa ama-chat ukuthi every single day you choose to get at school. What do you mean to me?
Mangidinga, not mangidinga.
Mengakudingi.
When you need me, you call me.
But when do I not? Okay, right now, what do I need from you?
Yabona mina makuthiwa ngiyamdinga.
Manje ke njengoba ngihleli ngikephi manje la ngihleli khona ngikephi.
Okay, what happened yesterday?
You said when
I was asking for your help and then what you said.
I'm here, but we're doing that now.
Yabona uthola ngesikhathi athanda ngaso.
Guys, usikelele ungivuse ngiphuphe inamba zelotho ethi angimsize ke assignment yake. Lapho futhi mina I'm still like trying to gather my life. First day back at school and you're already helping other people with their schoolwork. Uyahlanya lo. Usikelele futhi ngimbhalela ama notes in English. I don't do English. Ngimsize nge-source. Ngimbhalela ama notes source. I don't do source. So now you're adding two more things into the things that I already am doing. And then he says I use him. Who's using who there? I only like need you when I have to when something at school that I don't know, like printing, like all those. We man, unemali engakanani kwama credits akhe. If I go below man. Exactly. What is so wild? One of you expose a lot of get views.
I'm credits manje.
Oh, I'm going to print ngawo.
But you had no idea what's going to happen if I was not here.
If it's
That's
guys,
why we
you guys must get better friends.
Ngaze nga request imali yami. Izongitshela ngama credits wa. I don't want to disclose.
It's how my baby. But guys, we use each other. That's what friends are for. To come when you, but also this pride and I'm trying to at least like one thing. I mean,
nga requesta ngemali yami yegroza ukuthi ngize ngizobona unothando and helping ngeenkinga zakhe.
So you were attending.
Oh, ngiya-attenda mina manje.
Ngoba li-counseling class lakhe lo. But if there are any girls at Howard and you want a friend, please come look for me because I can't deal with this shit anymore. Yo, uzofana ngisho. But anyways, guys, yeah. I have a test next week that I'm supposed to be studying for. But usikelele ufuna mina ngibhale assignment yakhe. Who's using who there? So I'm gonna post this on YouTube. I'm gonna post it. Let's vent to my people. Vent. Yeah?
Alright. Unothando, first and foremost.
Yeah?
Unama moods. She's on and off. Njengoba ngisho manje ukuthi uthola la makuthanda yena. When I need her, she's nowhere to be found.
Okay, guys. Okay, in Gaza yesterday, and it's the thing is
true or false?
It's true.
Not yesterday. Not yesterday.
No, it's not mood swings. Nginenhliziyo encane. Usikelele uyangicasula. Angifiki nje ngimdinele ngidinwe ezinye izinto ngizoyikhipha kuyena cha. So ngidinwe ezinye izinto mase ya eda.
Why izokhiphela isibhongo yini? Why is
I
that?
spend most of my time with you.
With
So
who?
who do you think is
With who?
like at school? Self-love.
Calm,
Self-love.
babes.
It's fun, you can do whatever. Okay, mood swings, I agree. Next.
What else?
That's the only thing.
Yogi.
Everyone who knows me knows that it's
Am I wrong? Abafuna uku-admit like Tata years and years and years ukuthi admit like now. What else, Fuzi? No. Come on. It's not funny.
Okay.
It's not funny.
It's not funny. Alright, yeah.
Number two. Ave wathanda amafavor. But masekwi 10 yakhe.
So can you
Stories.
pause?
Always come with stories.
10 years. Okay, example, what favor did you do that I couldn't return?
Okay, yesterday I asked her to help me in the assignment and then what's in?
Hey, I think I shouted at you, yes. Because he could have worked on that assignment during the semester break. They would decide assignment we have to attend and do our own schoolwork. Because at the end of the day, we played.
But bengeke besona nje ngivusa umuntu bengazi ukuthulela. But I didn't know ukuthi ngidisturb. Wena wangisukela ngihlala wathi I can help you when you saw us in like anytime.
I did say that. I did, guys. I did say that. But
That's why
did I not apologize?
That's why it's
did I not apologize yesterday? Yesterday, I apologized yesterday, like after 2 hours. I was like, because I was really mean to him. And I was like, okay, I'm sorry, my friend, that I did this.
I apologize. It was the first time. I was shocked. But I think with us as a police and Uba would see she's gonna need me today. If I'm going to print her out, because
wow. That's not why I apologize. It's because I didn't want it to go to Cuban attention. You must have said more than I'm
That's the reason why she apologized.
Okay, I apologize because I was sorry. That'd be good. Fine, mood swings. But you keep on saying the same thing. It's just my moods. Don't get it, so it's my moods.
What else?
No, what favor? It's what favor? See, you've never helped me with schoolwork. Let's start there. I always thought, with schoolwork, you can't add anything to my knowledge. So please go ahead.
Ubengazi namhlanje ukuthi ubezo-attend ama-class wanini Tuesday.
Yeah, okay, ungisizile ngalokho. Usengitshela i-timetable. Usikelela ngimxoxele something, guys. Usikelela ngathi ngiyoprint because I don't know how to faka that student card thing and angikwazi ukufaka ama-credits. Wow, meduze ngomshini wangihleka ngilokhu ngipress endaweni e-wrong. Is that nice of you? You did laugh.
Yo.
Yes, you did.
The month ends the 4th year. When's the 4th year?
Guys, so my first 2 years of varsity, I was depressed and I was not coming to school. I was attending and leaving. Was it in second year? And that's when I started, like, what's it called?
Ha.
Yo. When I this is over there.
Okay, continue.
Usikelela message, guys. Ngisenda ama-link ama-YouTube ngisayihustla ya-YouTube. Ngisenda ama-link ami kwi-class group. Usikelela wathi ngicela ukuba umngani wakho. Wathi okay, wathi angiza e-SU. Ngangaya lapho ngathi ngibhizi. Ngaya one day ehle namantombazane amangakanani ngathi mina ya wathi ya no sana sambeni then sazwana lapho ngoba yena wayenganamba bangani nami nganamba bangani. Two lonely people then just found.
How can you say ihleli nabantu abaningi kodwa futhi uthenganganabo bangani?
Were they your friends? Were they your friends?
Why is Bobby Hell now? Like Bobby Hell is the one. I was alone.
Okay, say good things about me at least, because this video was negative.
Okay.
About the Basimosh's cut, you need to attend the whole week so we can work on your assignments. Do a man since I didn't tell you. Yes? Yeah.
As if you mean that. But it's okay. Good things about Nintendo, Lianda. Alright.
Oh, yeah. Lesixabene already ungishayile ngoba ade ngifuna ukuhamba engiblockile, then ihlo lami laphosta ke efonini yakhe, and ifoni yakhe ade ivula i-banking app, and ade khona ama-cent lapha kwi-account yakhe, uzoshaya mina ukuthi mina ngibone i-bank balance yakhe engijwayela kabi. So angisamkhulumisi already. Ushilo ukuthi we must only spend 2 seconds with each other because we fight. Yabo sahamba yedwa. Nasengeklasini lami ngeke ngisam-attendisi ngoba uyasangana. Guys, I'm going to my class by myself. No
drama, we're still together. Sabai too. So attend the class lama, going to attend English. And as Abana, she's being dramatic. Yes, she's being dramatic.
Yazi ngathi ngibuzo la sisi la. Yabo usikelele. Yazi ngathi ngibuzo la sisi lo lapha yana khona sizongitshela ukuthi yabo mina yabo hamba ngedwa ngempela uyahlanya lo. Yini? Ngishayelani?
Huh?
Ngishayelani?
Abengidlali.
1 2 3 4. Go 4.
Bengidlalisa Nintendo. Like I was just pulling my leg. Nothing much. Nothing serious. It's being hectic, it's being dramatic. So, that's why I'm saying, Shepston. That's why I'm class are useless. About this is what I was talking about. Say sikwenzile wonke abekufuna naw so uyimi engidinga ifavor manje. What's happening? The class was cancelled. We were just chilling there.
But now, guys, I have to go attend. Our classes are clashing. If they don't clash, then I attend these classes. But yeah, now no sacrifice. First was uzophuma la ezansi yoza. Angiye English. Uyofunda Sam is the cat ngeke mina ngiyasazi isingisi. Level 4 was sengimxolelise sengamkhulumisa kodwa uyangijwayela usilele. Angisho nobaba wami uyangishaya yini.
Think those things and discuss it. What do you want me to do? Even someone else just said Truro. She doesn't know. What is Truro? Trulo. Louder. I think you are intelligent, man. Energy, person.
Hey guys, this is day 2 of my vlog. Guys, look at this. You can see I look this side. I'm not okay. But you guys saw Angithi Nguthi Segelela kade ekhuluma about how I don't appreciate him. I wrote him something that he can read when he's by himself. I don't want to show you, but it's long. You see, this letter is long. I don't want you guys to pause and read, because then you're going to know my daubers. At the moment, he says study. Study some. So I'm going to fold the letter. I know he's going to appreciate it, because he appreciates nice things. Maybe I can buy him iced coffee, because he likes iced coffee. Yeah, I'll put it in here. I can buy him iced coffee, and yeah, but I'm doing something nice, even though I don't need anything, because he claims I'm nice when I need something from him, right? And give his own. So yeah, how do you close this? Do you use your spit? What do you do? Because there's definitely no way. I hope this is how you close it. If you don't and you think it's disgusting, then shame. Hit the subscribe button. Keep it stressed. So good to get disgusted. And subscribe. But I know he's gonna think it's something. But guys, I valegi. And I've already brushed my teeth. Okay, there we go. Guys, this is my friend for 3 years. So this is nothing. It's about time. So let's go to school. And I'm only gonna see him after my class because our classes are clashing. But when he reads it, hopefully, but outfits of the day. I'm wearing this shirt. I have this. I hope this is straight. Is it straight? I check it. You check it. Oh, me check it. Uzongitshela ama-comment ukuthi tshela noma nje kodwa ngizobe sekade ngigqokile, so it's fine. But I hope it's not checking too much. And then I have black. Yes, it's in lunch. I have black jeans and then black shoes. And then I led her to my best friend. Let's go to school. Pushing and caboose with my ashy lips, but let's go. Ubabutenga she laptop him la. What's in hand now? That's what I put to my boy. That's what I put to my boy. Le moti dumiswa ngekho umuntu yabo iyaduma. But where is the driver? Nowhere to be seen. Awukho nokhiye. Kuya ngokuthi wenzani for a living. Awuvele nje kadlala guys. Nami phela nginama jokes. Can't I joke? And guys, I've been waiting for my parents. Hey, boga te sama ngayiphi imoto sis? Yosho ngimalam. Ha, ngaqala ukubona umkhulu equbule into engaka. Ha. Umbuzisi. Ya wamkhipha ulimi. Ngiyayazi leyo ndaba leyo ukuthi wakwakhipha umuntu ulimi. Okay. Mina ngizohamba ngale moto le. Not this one. Abalo baba mina ngihambi nalo yagogo. Ubuyami. Kade ngicelile. Zokunika kamalungu. Le itravel boot wami ingakhe maboko nje. Uyayiravaza le moto le. But when I start driving, I'm gonna drive that one. Yes. Noma le lapha egarage. Yes. Ezathi vlog yami lo ngi-edit nje and angina space la efonini. Angazi uzo-editha kanjani. But I have a headache. So I'm going to Clicks to buy a grandpa and something to drink. R6 or something. No, bukushintsha. Nasi slip futhi angidlali ngawe. Bafethu. Mama ububa kanti ngithi ngizama ukuthenga amanzi elikho. If only she knew ukuthi angiphuzi. ngitholile i-coke. So umuntu sengizombuyisela imali yakhe. Ngibona ngifuna u-30 rand. Tuck shop yangasekhaya le guys, akuyona i-mall. Tuck shop. Iphela usuku ungadlulanga la. Fana ne-store, i-container yangasekhaya.
Just ngoba semsebenzini ukuthi nalezo uma
ozakwaba uthisha ukuthi wayengakwazi ukuba nobudlelwane bezothando nomunye walabantu asebebalile kodwa yena wasopa ingane ukuthi nabo bengabazali abanye babo abaqomile futhi bajwayele ukuyesikoleni ngakho wayengakwazi ukucela inombolo kamakhalekhukhwini bese eyashela esikhundleni sokuhlukumeza ingane ngalendlela kusenjalo amalungu omphakathi waseMalibheleke ngaphandle kwasemhobane afuna umthetho wedlala indawo yabo becaleni nomlisa oneminyaka engama-36 ubudala kusolwa ukudlwengula umshana wakhe oneminyaka emine ubudala kumele omphakathi uRebecca Siluma uthi kusabela ukuthi izingane asephephile neze emakubo.
There was a rapist in Red Wing. A teacher raping a student for almost a year. Wabanje uqotsheni omunye udlengula umshana wakhe oneminyaka emine.
Ucabanga ukuthi le ngane uma ibona umalume wayo ibona umuntu oyithandayo nokufanele ayinakekele kodwa kubuhlungu kakhulu lokho akwenzile ukuthi njengamanje abazi ukuthi bazobalekela kuphi ngoba abantu sebedlwengulelwa emakhaya amalungu omndeni. Sikhumbuze ukuthi abalambe phambili ngehora le-12 njengoba sibikile la ukuthi umnyango obhekele ezemvelo nezempilo emphakathini edolobha eGoli uthi uzosivali isiphaza
Coca-Cola, please sponsor me. Please ngibona ama-creators cheers and Coca-Cola but Coke, can't you see me? Mali yami la iphethe guys njalo. No. Guys, I gave uSikelelo money to buy food. Sengithengile lunch yami. Ayike.
Thengele yini?
You lying?
About the lunch.
Sikelelo, you know you lying.
About what? What are some other?
Sikelelo, why you lying? How's ngala? Wawunamanga bathi. Futhi ngoba uSikelelo was calling me non-stop eclassini. No ngiba embarrassed lapha.
Because I wanted to buy her lunch.
You lying? You like yabo lento le yade simplanele yona bangani bethi ngeke ngisamnika yona. Ngoba lento eyenzile. I'm not going to give it to you anymore. It was going to be a surprise, but since I'm mad, and they know that I bought you that.
What?
So what you eating?
Yeah.
Sigelela. When you watch the vlog, you'll see ukuthi amanga khaya bed. But yeah, guys, so you cut it off. Ngeke samnika. Ngeke sakunika. What content? Sigelela, what the fuck? What the fuck? Guys, okay, it's fine. Mhlambe ngizomnika mengese ngehlisa umoya ngeke samnika ngoba uyaphapha. Unamanga. Ngokubona umuntu abo indlela adla ngayo kuyasho ukuthi uthengelwe. Kuyasho. Content ngiphatha ke ngiphatha. Ngizoyivula ekhaya.
Ngizoyivula ekhaya.
Endlini. Sigelelo, why the fuck would you say that on camera? What the fuck? Sigelelo, you fucked up. Sigelelo, I don't have anything I see. I actually have something nice. Poor guys, I'm staying after hours to help who with what?
Attend wait. What's this?
You open it. Please.
Value.
Vali, please, Selelo, you need to.
Okay.
Yeah. Please, that's not about it. The first comment. You won't be able to see it. It's folded inside. It's something nice. Don't worry.
Let's hope it's not a prank.
No, it's not a prank. Why? I'm going to nice.
It's the first time.
Alright. But yeah, I wanted to see your reaction. Do you want to read it? Go on if you want to open it. No, now I'm shy, so I don't want you to open it.
Hey,
You're
look at that.
really- I'm pregnant. Let's go for Glal. Why wouldn't I be pregnant?
Why would you?
Why would I be pregnant? But why do you think I wouldn't? I cannot.
Masang to say we ma Chichi festival. Chichi festival.
The Majiwelele festival, yes. So I can't be pregnant. Ingoba nje ngifuna ukwenza le nto leyo ingake eyolishisa ukuphaka. Guys, I'm gonna see you at home. We've had enough of this one in this vlog. So say bye. This is the only vlog you'll ever appear on, Food.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Well, guys, we're planning to open our channel.
Okay, you can open it. Actually, I don't mind. You can open.
Mas minang react savula it.
You must be grateful and don't be rude.
No, but is this for me?
Yes, it is.
Ha.
What?
We're a man after 2 years.
Yes, it is. It was. Didn't I tell you? I'm not lying. Didn't I tell you that? Remember I told you, Lapaya?
I don't believe it's still it's
You don't believe it?
You're going to take a favorite hit. This is my favorite hit. It's loving this space now.
I would have written it, but I couldn't because I can't spell sometimes. So I had to use my laptop. Utafunda namanje.
Yo.
Yes,
Did I ever did that?
yes, you do. Don't you do it? Mogani? Did I ever do that? At least so they can see your face, bro. You've never done it. Uphaya vungulisana, and I was putting lip gloss on. Yeah.
See, when I get a part-time job, the first thing they do is spam money in the book.
Dude, this is another spending in.
No, I'm sorry, not really.
It's too much. What do you mean it's too much, Wena?
I was not expecting this.
Yeah, I know.
No, I'll teach you.
I know what to say. I understand. Should we any other I cannot play another gotcha game. I cannot say really, but you can't spend money on the game. But I am that type of game is not safe with me.
You don't need to. I promise you. You don't need to.
I don't know what to say, guys. What happened?
Just appreciation. I could have posted then I was like, nah, posting with so I had to give you something that you will always look at.
This is nice. I've never expected such things, but
Yeah, so
you put them on the paste on.
yeah, shame. Because you'll never have Umuto Sokonzela length of it. Cheers. Yeah.
No money. More life.
Gabi phone day PDLA. But yeah, let's do the thing. A new perfume. I just bought a new perfume at Signature. 2 of them because they both smell familiar and I like the smell. I'm looking for a new smell. So this is the plan. I don't know if you can hear me because I'm connected. Wait, let me hear this video. I'm going to a birthday dinner on the 17th. So I need an outfit. Sexy black formal. I don't know what I want. But okay, I know what I want. I don't know if I'll get it here or not. I don't like this dress. Says nothing. I don't know if they sell this thing. I was looking for a corset. Now, for someone who got an invitation 7 days before, I cannot order from Shein. Because Shein might take 2 weeks and then I will. So now I have to do something that I hate, which is shop. I hate shopping. I can order, but I don't like walking around or looking for things. I didn't find what I was looking for. I'm gonna go to Blaze now and check one thing about Galleria Mall. You will not find what you're looking for. These stores are useless. I tell you, I wish I went to Gateway, but no, I don't wish I went there. I thought it was about right. Angas, but let's see. No. But yeah, I'm going to place. I'm gonna tell you guys if I find something.
Even at 6 months, so it seems.
I already see black things, but it's not about black. I want it to be sexy, and I've already thought of what I want to wear. So it's going to be very hard for me to move away from that.